Greeting you, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching Daily Market Review from Grand Capital. My name is Slava Ismailova. Today, as usually, we are going to start with our first currency pair, Euro versus US dollar. More weakness towards 1.3025 is expected, following Tuesday's sharp setback. A significant top is forming, and the January 27th reaction high at 1.3235 will be strengthened on a break below 1.3025, attracting further weakness towards 1.2957 and 1.2909. A recovery above 1.3113 would provide respite, but only about 1.3175 would lift the tone. Weekly chart Euro-US dollar trend is bearish. The next currency pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen. The powerful downtrend is tackling support at 76.14 and threatening to bring the 76.0 level into focus. Fresh 3-month lows have been set this week, and the October 31st all-time low at 75.31 would become vulnerable on a bout of concerted US dollar bear pressure. A recovery above 76.42 is required to provide respite, although cognitive resistance between 76.65 and 76.78 will look to limit corrective US dollar gains. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend is bearish. Intraday Great Britain pound US dollar. The push into fresh 10-week highs is expected to continue above 1.5799, testing the influential 260-day moving average at 1.5845 is the main objective for Great Britain pound bulls. This protects 1.5872, 1.589. Corrective weakness will attract support while above 1.57 and only below 1.5643 would concern Great Britain pound bulls. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is bullish. The next intraday is US dollar versus Swiss franc. The recovery of Monday's marginal low at 0.9112 has room to extend to the 0.9265 area before US dollar bulls struggle. Backup resistance at 0.9282 lies in the form of the 1.618 Fibonacci extension target, and only above sustained push above there would lift the overall tone. A setback below 0.9195 is required to expose 0.9123 and the 0.9112 reaction low again. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend is bearish. The last currency pair for today is Australian dollar versus US dollar. This pair remains kept beneath resistance at 1.069 and is threatening Monday's low at 1.0527. However, only a move below 1.0527 would create scope for a more serious setback to 1.048 and potentially 1.042. A recovery above 1.064 is required to open the 1.069 high again. Weekly chart Australian dollar US dollar trend is bullish. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade and see you later.